Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm your host TJ, and today I will be unboxing the Body Glove Ghost case for the iPhone 11. In my previous video, I showed you how to install a tempered glass on this phone, so you might want to check that out after this video. Back to this unboxing. Let's take a look at the packaging. On the front, you have some of the case's main features: ultra thin and light, scratch resistant. Opening the cover and you are presented with more info. The packaging is very professional. You get a sense this is a premium product. On the inside you have more info on the case's features. You can pause and read it. To the right you get a view of the case. On the back you have info on its drop protection. Interestingly, the case comes with a limited 1-year warranty. Let's get this opened. First impressions, it has a good grip. The back feels solid. Overall, it has a good sturdy feel to it. Installation is very simple. Slot in the side with the volume buttons, then gently push the two corners of the phone in. There is Body Glove branding on the bottom left and right side of the case. There's a good amount of tactile feedback from the buttons. There's a decent cutout for the speaker grills and lightning port. On the back, there are tiny feet to raise the phone slightly off the ground. This is great as it will help with minimizing scratches on the back of the case. However minimal, the camera does have some protection. As you can see, there is no lip protection with a tempered glass installed. For the people who like to place their phones face down, this coupled with a tempered glass is a big no. If you are in the market for a case for your iPhone 11 and can look past the no lip protection with a tempered glass installed, I feel this is a good choice. It feels solid without adding too much bulk to the phone, it has good grip and looks decent. All in all, I can recommend this case to you. Guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and consider subscribing. My name's TJ, this is Tech Chef, and I will catch you on the next one.